شنو هو اللي غيخدم؟ حتى حنا لايف واقيلا. anyways شنو هو اللي غيخدم؟
اصبر نشوف. never mind. I was going to check with the built-in microphone, but apparently not. So.
Okay. I mean, I don't know صراحة شنو فيه, but alright. Hold on. I need to find. I need to verify بعدا بلي راحنا audible. We won't have a bunch of people watching us today. So I'll need to verify on my own. أعطيني شو سميتو فين اللي عندي.
Two people are watching, and they're most likely you and I.
Hello, شي واحد. Okay, there is someone actually watching. Hello. Can you confirm واش كيتسمع الصوت ولا ما كيتسمعش؟ وانا make sure بلي الصوت كيتسمع. If you can hear us and see us pretty well, please let us know.
I opened the link. I think it's okay.
عين في كلاسيكو عين هنا شنو كلاسيكو؟ كاين كلاسيكو.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Oh, really? When is it? واش دابا؟ دينا 10 ماي. اش من كلاسيكو بعدا؟ علاش من كلاسيكو كتهضر؟ كلاسيكو دابا يلاه يبدا. اش من كلاسيكو؟ ديال من؟ الرجاء الوداد لا الريال والبارسا.
الريال والبارسا.
فراسي شي جملي. Anyways, that is still fine. الناس اللي ما كيتفرجوش في الكورة.
لايف عقلوا عليها.
alright, so حنا كنا انا كنت جالس وقلت لعزوز واش فيك نستريمي نديرو شي حاجه. قال لي اوكي جو فور ات. كنت واحد النهار كنتساري في يوتيوب. كانت عليا واحد الصاد كيسولفي واحد الليست تاع البروبلمز سميتهم FlipFlop. They are very similar to Advent of Code. ما عرفتش واش كيديروا كل year. We know بلي فيهم كاين 2025. So we decided to do let's try and do 2025. They seem to have like 6 or 7 problems. Difficulty from what I've heard is not too much. So we'll try and do them as best as we can and those are show the looks. And if people have questions, we can answer questions. Something typical chill stream format. All right. عزوز شاري السكرين حيت غتكودي انت الاول. هذه المره غنكودي معاك ولكن هذه المره انت الاول غتكودي.
يا راسي
وغتكتب براس ديالك
ان شاء الله. راس ديالي
صافي. waiting for Aziz to share.
كنحاول نختار غير طاب وحده.
الدراري كيقول لك راكم عزاز عين في كلاسيكو عين معاكم. سيدي بارك الله فيك. احنا ما فراسناش بلي كلاسيكو كاين. المهم الا تماركا شي بيس قولوا لنا فين تمارك.
يا ريدي you can probably.
نهار خرج ميسي من البارسا ما بقيتش كنتفرج في الكوره. دير شو سميتو؟ you shared. Cool. We can see your screen says you can pick any of the problems. The format, can you? There are like 7 puzzles. Can you go to puzzle 1? So you can read the prologue.
Anyways, okay.
Sure. شنو هو ذاك prologue؟
There's puzzle 01.
شنو ذاك prologue اللي فوق؟ كيبان بحال بوحدو.
صوت عندك شويه ناقص نتايا.
انا ناقص؟
Yes, شويه. could be.
Really?
شويه.
Interesting. I don't think I changed my input types. Input ديالي مازال هو. Can you go puzzle 1? شوفوا ذاك prologue شنو هو؟
prologue.
لا puzzle 1 فاش كليكيتي قبيله على puzzle 1 هذا can prologue dream vacation paradise filled with segmentation faults no pointers. I don't think this contributes anything. Each puzzle has 3 parts. Okay. So كل puzzle عنده 3 نتاع parts. كل part each part harder than the last so it gets harder. وكل بارتي كيعطيك نقطه
Yes, 1 point.
and then so 3 في 7 هي هذيك 21 نقطة كاينة في التوتال اللي تقدر تربح. Alright, I guess
So you
this is
arrive
the-
at the annual banana contest in Zealand. The room is filled with excitement and the smell of bananas. As you get seated, you notice the presenter behind the stage. They seem to be panicking about something. You walk over to the stage and ask them.
في واحد ثقة لي شي حاجة عندك عزيز. The score is based on the total length of the bananas. Total length. Oh. Score of each banana is measured by the name of the banana, which is equal to the number of ba or na in the name of the banana. Huh? So كتحسب ba or na? Is that the solution? After counting the bas and nas in each name, you find that the total score of this bunch is 24. Banana. هذيك الأولى 3. عزوز you're muted. No.
Oh, the second one has 5.
No. 4. How are they in 5? Huh?
But hold on, why there is it's in it. Ask the presenter about it.
Banana substitute. Think of it as just another na, even though it has an e in it. Just count it normally as in total. Oh, so بحال na بحال ni. You should count the banana as a normal banana. 24. Okay. Sounds good. I guess you just do what it's asked. It doesn't look that hard.
If B check A, if B or A, and if B check A, if N check A or E.
ما نشوف الانبوت يقدر الانبوت ما يكون فيه يقدر يكون فيه بانانا. Can you get the puzzle input? Yeah. كاين B و N وكلهم بانانا ني ياك. كاينه B وحده في كل سطر. and then كاينه bunch of na and a bunch of ني وديما كاينه N في الوسط ياك. Can you try إلى
To be honest with you, I can cheat this.
You can just take the half
Length
length.
out of 2.
Yeah. half the length نتاع كل واحدة بلا ما تحسب لا N لا B.
Let's see. Let's just try it out.
Yeah, let's try it. Yeah.
Again.
Azuz, if you go to this, like, can you zoom in a bit? I don't think it's gonna be super visible.
Yeah. Wait, I can. I was going to do it in Python, but again, because it's easier, right?
Huh?
Python.
You can use Python. I guess Python is more suited to this.
Yeah, probably. Sorry.
قال لك واش كاين شي جو اليوم ولا راست؟ يعني الا بغى عزوز يكتب جو maybe. I don't think Go works very well for the problems. I think even Rust is not a great language for this. I feel like the best language to do these problems is Python. But we'll see. I mean, depending on the quality or the difficulty of the problems. So this one we can do with whatever. Yeah. And then just print answer. So I guess in this approach, we're not really doing anything. Yeah, new scanner as is.
What do I do?
New scanner. Yeah.
Mm.
You need to copy back. Yeah. Did you compile? You compiled. Okay. 10700. Oh, nice. Cool.
Anyways,
Okay.
guys, this is what. Anyways,
A bit of cheating, but that's fine. I mean, if you can solve it, you can solve it.
exactly.
I mean, the other solution is as dumb as the solution. So we're not like cheating in any sense.
This is part of
All
the
right.
game.
Go to the next part.
Because the problem is very simple. So I personally, I don't like to.
Yeah.
Anyways.
What is the next part? Impressed by your work, invites you to judges. This time we want you to ignore the score for bananas that have an odd score. So odd, not about 5. Okay. So you only should count the ones that are. Yeah. No, that's not it, Aziz. You're muted, by the way. I don't think that's the case. حيت انت بغيتي السكور يكون حيت length موديلو جوج هو اللي يكون موديلو جوج كيساوي 0. يا سو غير قسموا الفوق دير لين كيساوي index line على length على جوج. Yeah, and then consider that. So mental wealth, قال لك I don't understand your solution. Why you scanned the input before? What if the input was different? Your solution is not going to work. Yes, the solution is not going to work. If the input was a bit different, the solution is not going to work, but that's completely fine. Hence, every contestant في هذا الcontest gets like a very specialized inputs. And sometimes it's much easier إلا شفتي الانبوت وبنت pattern في الانبوت, you just solve for that particular input.
Yeah, so basically because we just analyze the input real quick. Kind of little inputs. The rule is going to make our life easier. I just use that. But if it was another contest where you will be submitted into a hidden, like you submit your solution, or you check you against like an actual input.
ما كتعرفش الانبوت beforehand.
Because I know the inputs right now, so it's fine. I use the same logic, so I didn't want to bother myself. Because if you want me to write the other solution, I can. But it's just like this one is easier for me, so we can move to harder problem quickly.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so part 3.
So now we will have to write the other one. So yeah.
You can see the presenters. After hanging up, the presenter turns to you. Next, what the bananas have been deprecated. We need to know how many points. They say then we'll remove those from the score. So إلا عندك أو كتحيدها كاملة ولا كتحيد غا شتي. So إلا كان عندك you substitute it from the score. So can it be negative? But then your input I don't think فيه. So كتنقصها من score.
Yeah, so just question. So if this has an E, right? If it has 2 E's, do I substitute 5 2 times, or do I substitute 5 just
I don't think that's pretty well explained, but I guess you just remove it once. You don't count it once. Let's try with just once. مثلا باش دير كنترول زد. باش دير كنترول زد.
like command Z
just use T. قلتي you're more used to Tmux. Just do Tmux. باش تبقاش اسباني كل مرة.
Okay.
Okay, the scan of the inputs is part of the solution. In an interview, you advise to do the same. So scanning the input is definitely part of the solution. In an interview, you usually إلا هضرنا على lead code style solutions, lead code style interviews, you don't get كنعطيوك الانبوت ديجا مقري because bothering with parsing the input is not something that they want you to spend time on.
Yeah.
Unless
So-
it's very complicated and they actually want this to be part of the question. But usually they don't want you to spend time bothering with parsing the input. ما كنتيش تقدر تفيريفي غير الا كان فيه اي حيدو من السكور. I feel like this will be much easier لما انك تحسب السكور حيت السكور itself ما غيتبدلش right ما كايناش شي حاجه الرايز contains شي لعبه بحال هكا نمشي الا كانت فيه اي او دونك صافي حيد السكور.
Okay.
هذيك هي الرايز ما كاينش الرايز that contains are you sure
I understand what you mean. So okay, so غنديرو
زعما تخلي السولوشن اللي كانت عندك في الاول and then the arrays that can is there contains ما كاينش contains ما كاينش string contains
كاين string contains.
ايوا صافي ما تحولوش لشار array وخليه string داك اللاين و there contains
String line.
قال لك you can replace the e and compare the length after that you subtract the difference. You can do that, but then it's much easier to just use contains because it will achieve the same result. Les juge, yes. Else s plus equals line not length.
I can do it in a magic if I want, but no.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. All right, compile. أنت خرجتي.
Yeah. Anyways, Java main. Oh, Java main, Java input. It's the same.
صاد قال لك الخوت عندكم شي فكره كيفاش نكودي ترافلين سيلز حيت ما بغيتش نشوف الحل. Even if we tell you how to do it, which there is no, okay, I don't think there is a nice polynomial solution to this. And if you know how to do it in a polynomial way, you can make a shit ton of money. But then even if we tell you راك بحال شتي الحل يعني قلنا لك the non polynomial.
What? شنو ثاني؟
شنو قال لك؟ okay, contains e شارك الناس be converted to charge sequence. Maybe ما كانش خصك تخدم كاركتر contains خصك تاخذ string باش.
No, I fixed it. I fixed.
وشنو عطاك؟ ناقص. اوكي. ناقص. شوف عاود شوف الانبوت.
That's why I said like
maybe خصنا نحيدو. maybe قال لك خصك يعني ورايا مشي تحيد. Maybe that's what they meant.
I wanna do it, but
no.
Okay.
No, can you look at the input شوف شحال كاينه من اي من برا. كاينه بزاف وقيلا كاينه في كل سطر. Then you should just ignore ما تحيدش. Just ignore it.
Oh, all right. Okay, so no, but that's what we did, no?
No, we didn't ignore it. حيدنا. So you count only if or that. بالله
32 seconds. Okay. Let me read it again because now I haven't read the problem. I just assumed anyways. I'm trying to get on the presentations on explain that what that dependent substitutes are being deprecated, we need to know how many points come from banana. So if you're in its bench, they say then remove those from the score.
Yeah, خصك تسكيبيها I feel like. ماشي تحيدها.
Yeah, that should be it. Yeah, that should. I mean, that's the confusing part. We subtracted. We didn't have to. Anyway, we good.
Do puzzle 2 again.
I think
go to puzzle 2.
So let's see. Just reading this. Okay.
Charles Reddock, bit young to be designing. blueprint or series of movements. up كتزيد بواحد كتزيد بناقص height by meter 1. Okay, blueprint up down up down up down. Sounds good. What is the highest point to the okay, this doesn't sound too bad.
All right, let me see. It's just one string.
Mm.
And do cut input. This is exactly why. See? My keyboard just. Okay.
Oh, yes. خسر. Control D.
That's what I'm doing, bro. That's what I'm doing.
شوف انا نقول لك واحد دير بي بي بيست وصيفط على الانبوت ريديريكت على الانبوت اكتب بي بي بيست ودير انبوت.
See, I think I might have fin keyboard. Okay.
Those have technical difficulties.
PB
paste. Yeah, and then صيفط على الانبوت.
Okay.
دير كات انبوت دابا.
Yeah, it should be.
Right. It's already open.
Yeah, never mind.
Now,
just to make this bigger. So, what did we want to do? Okay.
خصك تقرا تشوف تحسب الماكسيموم elevation.
I don't need this. Yeah.
Is it one line?
Yes. This thing then okay.
Else
I will do an else orange.
And then ends max.
Max. And
yeah.
Yes.
What new missing semester? We don't know yet. We are talking about it, but we're not sure فوقاش بالضبط غنديرو new missing semester. I'm not sure whether everybody has time to actually do it, and we still have to prepare questions. Yes. شنو درت عزوز؟
It was incorrect.
Too high. Why is it too high? Yeah, can you run the samples?
7.
7. What's the answer? 6. Why do you have +1?
Can have 0.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
What's up? How did you get 7?
I have no idea. Oh, yeah. I know what I think. It's just an extra. If I do this.
Yeah, maybe you're counting the space. No, but that shouldn't matter. Shouldn't matter.
I'm pretty sure. It's just like how I specify the input. See?
عندك واحدة زايدة.
That's no. I still get the same thing. That's weird.
Yes. What? This doesn't make sense. Hold on.
No,
if it's up, if it's down, and then maximum elevation.
It's a V or something else?
Should be a V, yeah. ans is incorrect في math.max. How? Why is ans is incorrect? ans فيها 0 and then it just keeps going up. واش انت متاكد كاين اسطر واحد؟ متاكد ياك؟ Can you open that file نتاع الانبوت في vim? Yeah, just open it. There's one line. Okay.
Let's try 1, 3, 4.
شنو عطاك في الاول؟ 1500.
I have no idea. Maybe ما تبدلش الفايل because I specified Java ماشي Java C, so it's fine.
I don't know.
That's fine.
Seems like a very weird bug to have to.
It's my system. You get the numbers and realize they are way too small. The height changes.
Okay. The height, current, first movement increases by 1, second by 2, third by 3, and then down I'm assuming the same thing. So ما كتزيدش بواحد، كتزيد بالcurrent step. كتزيد مع step number ماشي مع current number. So على حسب شنو الإيتراسيون.
So if you go 4 up 3 down, you go cumulative 4 يعني بلس
الاولى كتنقص بواحد، الثاني كتنقص بجوج، الثالث كتنقص بثلاثه، كتولي تهبط كتقلب وكترجع من واحد، فما كتقلب كتعاود ترجع تحسب من واحد.
Yeah, so if
So you just keep a step هاد المره هادي ولا a step counter على حسب شنو step راك فيها.
step counter
اللي هو اللي كيقول لك ديك واش
كتبدا plus 2 plus 3 minus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 minus 1 minus 2. Do you see my point?
هي هذيك ستيب، هي داك شحال هي ديك الدلتا اللي كتزيد. سو فاش كتقلب، فاش كتكون غتهبط داك ستيب كيولي ناقص. سو فاش كتكون زايد كتزيد الدلتا، فاش كتكون هابط كتنقص الدلتا. That's a very bad hack. لا شوف، دير الدلتا كتساوي I mean ideally you want to flip the delta ياك, but you want to do it after the first. No, you don't want to do it after. How should I write this cleanly?
Okay. Something like this. This is what I mean.
So del كتساوي last كديفيرون من C واحد سينون del plus 1.
Whatever. Do you see my point?
del ديكلاريتيها قبل ياك.
Yeah.
إذا كان difference then 1, yes, sure. That makes sense. And one ماشي and you still doing current, I guess. You still have to update current and you still have to track the max. So current plus كتساوي del, current ناقص كتساوي del. And then ends yes, and then you have to update last. Last كيساوي C. And داك del واقيلا خصو يكون char ماشي int. And no, del كيساوي sorry. Del كيساوي char. Okay.
Yeah,
all is good. All is good. All is good. Return to 1 inside the else in case it's inside the if. I am not sure شنو بغيت
انا ما عرفتش قلت هو
ها كتبرينتي شي حاجه في الاخر 1332.
weird number.
جرب السامبل هو الاول.
No, صافي.
Okay, go for it.
Go with this.
سير next one.
Oh, Fibonacci sequence.
The height changes actually now follow the Fibonacci sequence since the linear step size pattern we formed before. Can you print شحال كان can you print the maximum step باش تعرف شحال how big you need to pre-compute Fibonacci?
Yeah, I agree with you. Should they be long or should they be...
لا غير برينتي هنا باش تعرف حتى علاش خصك تكمبيوتي، حيت ديك دال برينتي الماكسيموم ديال الابسولوت فاليو ديال دال باش تعرف فين خصك تكمبيوتي وصافي. if you want to track that, yeah. max ديال ناخذك مات بوين ابس حيت ديال ديما عندنا بوزيتيف never mind and then print out ديال
Oh no.
and
Oh.
20 صاحبي بري كومبيوتي في بونات شي 20
Okay.
21
Let's do this first, and then we do this. Oh, it should be long.
no, an int is maybe an int is I don't know actually I'm not sure maybe an int is fine Fibonacci doesn't go very quickly ماشي بحال factorial
Come on. ياك كوريكت
انت تما خصك تزيد فيب نتاع دال هي اللي كتزيد على maybe yeah.
I think it's good.
Yeah, I'm trying to compile and run it. Let's see.
Oh.
يا محيتي شي حاجه محيتي 25 حيد 5 لاين 25 ديك ماكسيموم ديالي حيدها غير شفتها جايه جافا main point Java
Because this is like has been added to have a compile and run.
Okay, fine. 102,806 Wow, answer is too high. لا 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 لا. قلب على هاد التيست كيس هذا راني بعدا سو ميك شور بلي كنجيبو 144.
يا بلاتي. وي.
راه كاين شي اوف باي 1 كاين شي اوف باي 1 تما.
Yes, exactly. So I have to do this. فهمتي دابا هذا اكسباند البلان ديال واش فيب ديال 0 اللي كتساوي 1 ولا فيب ديال 1 اللي كتساوي 1 زعما
تيستي شنو سميتو تيستي سامبل انبوت هذه قل من اللي خرجت لنا قبيله ياك هما شنو قالوا لنا تو هاي
yes and then if we do the head
الى تاسك 144 then you have تاسك 10 عزيز شخص يعطيك 4 Your change is incorrect. Can you roll back your change?
ولا سيدي الاكزامبل فين هو الاكزامبل درنا هنا 5 اكزيكيوتيف سو تعطيك
صاتك 5 12
Wait, why my change is incorrect?
Your change seem incorrect.
Wait, let's. So it's 1 2 Oh yeah.
1 كاملين.
No, like the highest point the coaster.
كتزيدك واحد في كل وحده غتزيدك واحد سو غتوصل ل5 في الاخر.
وعلاش تزيدني واحد؟
حيت فيه بد واحد كاملين فيه بد واحد
ما فهمتش دابا بلاش 5 consecutive ups فيب ديال 5 Oh yeah so هنايا فيب ديال 3 ماينس فيب ديال 1 بلاس فيب ديال 4 ماينس فيب ديال فهمتي Do you see? I know why I did this, but I don't have. I don't need to do it. If
حتى تجي تقلب واقيلا عاد تحسب.
So let me current. Okay, so yeah. If C Oh no. Okay. Okay, and then I can do it here. If C is different than array of I, then I have to do this.
Yeah, honestly, I'm not sure شنو كتحاول دير.
Yes. Is equal to -1. Okay. If C is different than the last one, then that's when I have to. This is not
شنو هي array دائرية أصلا؟
C. So okay, let me explain to you what I want to do. Get this shit. Okay, so I want to check when I swap, right? I have to do answer plus equal to current times mode. Okay, بس هذا تقلبها لي -1 ولا 1. Okay. Okay. And then current is equal to C equal to last. Oh, yeah, C اللي كانت كتساوي last current plus 1. Otherwise 1. Okay. So this only flaps. This only change. This only adds.
Are you sure؟ فاش كدير فاش كتكون فاش كتحسب مول كتلقاها كتساوي داك الشابو مول كتساوي 1 رايت بينما the thing اللي كنتي كتانكريسي ولا كيسكسيدي حيت at the moment تخيل دابا كنتي غادي في شابو فاش غدير داك الشابو هي فاش غيكون عندك مول كيساوي 1
لا غادي غيولي 1
غيولي 1 بينما انت دابا راك already فليبيتي.
So I could just do this. Well, doesn't change anything. Oh no, yeah, let's not do it.
I don't think this is good. Why don't you do this? Why don't you like find the consecutive sequence and
Yeah, exactly. So,
just do the consecutive sequence so Zidane number. It'd be much easier to code. Yeah.
So I'm just gonna do the C is equal to I, while C is equal to
C array of I and I صغر من and I صغر
I, right. And G is less than array of length. I have to do the opposite, right?
Huh?
I have to do the opposite.
Yeah.
C is equal to array of J.
Plus J. J.
Well, plus J, but
the count is I ناقص J. J ناقص I.
Yes. If C is equal to this.
Barca markets already. Oh my god, that's very quick.
Oh.
Barca versus Madrid. Rafinha. Nice.
Let's see. Now it should be.
خاصنا شي ميسي اللي ربحت البارسا تقوص على جوج خسر. J smaller array J. Can you reset I?
9.
Can you do? By the way, this is gonna probably loop forever. You never do I equals J في الآخر.
This is the thing.
And you never compute the answer.
I
حين
don't.
تخصك max elevation. You just كتجمعهم في الآخر لا. Are you still looking for the max elevation ولا لا؟ هذيك هي الانسر. Okay. Let's see.
I want to.
Yeah, داك الصغير بعدا ندير داك ديال 5. Yeah, make sure بلي راه 5 works. Okay, cool. Try the other case ديال 144.
ديال
داك اللي تحس منه هذاك.
This is
4.
for.
هبط شنو هي الانسر؟ 4. It's correct. هذاك الاخر ديال 144.
On,
Nice. So if you just take just run it over the input. This should be
24268.
صغر من ذاك النمبر اللي جا قبيله, which is good. Nice.
Correct.
These are 3 parts. Sounds good. And that's 2, 3. Let's go to 3. Do you want me to do 3?
Yeah. So you
ترتاح
can-
شويه انت. اي قجرنا عليك.
خاصنا ميسين سيمستر يدير بحال البارسا.
بحال البارسا قلت له
لا ما فهمتيش دابا البارسا غتربح, قلت ليه البارسا غتربح.
اها
فهمتي باش يخلي لي نو تشويس, either I have to go back on داكشي اللي قلت راه يعني.
this one. Right. And let's see. I'm hoping that this is big enough, but I'll have to still look and see. And the looks of it, it looks big enough. Balls 3. Let's see. كيبالك عزيز. عزيز راك ميوتي.
Yes, but let me check the live and I will let you.
Bush salesman. Bushes. Each bush is a color. RGB value. 1099, 0 to 55. Amount of red, green, and blue. Each number is represented by a comma. To begin with, most common color here is which color appear most frequently? Okay, and I must log in for some reason. I'll probably log in here. Okay, the currency problem
Yes.
doesn't look so hard, right?
Yeah, I would just parse them, convert them into a bigger number, and put them in a set and map or whatever, and keep the one which has the maximum count.
Where is my? Hold on. What is my input? No. Puzzle 3.
Yes.
Where's my input? Okay, can I get my input? Let's see how big is the input. It's kind of big.
I don't think it matters.
No, I'm just saying how much I can copy. All right. Yeah, I already have a file here. Input. Right. Let's do Rust. So غنقراو هاد العجوبان هذا. Let's see. let. How do you read again from file? There's a standard IO string, right? That lock. And then I can get lines. Cool. And then I can do ether. Can I do ether? Or it's already an iterator. Can I do a map? What does blinds return? There is no lines. There is a lines. Should look at the returning. Lines. Can I do map? Yes, I can do map. Line, which is a results. Line dot. I don't want to unwrap. Can I just do this? I can probably do this. Okay. Let's return the results. Can I do this? I have to return it. Fine. What is the expected type in IO? What is the expected type? عند الراسي ما عارف نخليه يتشكى من بعد. وانا trying to compile نخليه يتشكى.
The right way to use Rust compiler.
It returns something IO error. Std IO results. IO std IO. Maybe. Is this the type? Oop. By what? Expected enum something found struct. Oh. Hold on. There's a bunch of problems that shouldn't be solved, Deb. Let me do this. I'll clean up the code later. Let me just do an expect. Failed parsing the line. Right. And then line that split that collect, and then we can collect everything into a vec of strs.
You can do infinition.
Huh?
You can just apply.
I can, but it's not gonna benefit me from it. It's not gonna benefit me doing this.
Okay, صافي ودير apply dot collect مورا collect دير ليه.
Yeah, I'll need I need a struct.
دير map in
bush. Is it called bush? U16, U16, U16.
Well, I mean, you can. Yeah, you want to put a stat. Yeah, do you really use the you can use. Okay. I wanted to convert them into
Ord, partial ord. I probably need all of these. And then I want to create a bush. So bush of parts of 0, that parse dot expect failed to parse. It's kind of, which is unexpected. There should be a better way to actually handle these, but 1 and 2.
You can't map after the column?
No, ده بوحده. They just collecting the other ones. أنا more ما نجمعهم بثلاثة. I'll need to do this.
After the collect, it's gonna get the collect is gonna get you return for your vector.
هنا? Yes.
I mean, in the end, you can then you can do parse dot map, no?
Parse dot what?
Parts dot map. You map something to it.
No, I just want to parse it. I don't want to map it.
All right. Anyway, so.
I just want to parse هذه كترد لي vector ديال
you want to convert them into ints, right?
Yeah, and I want to convert them into a U16.
Yeah.
Derive. Okay. So this is not getting used, and then we map them into this, and then we collect into a vec. It's probably not the most efficient way of actually doing this.
You can't collect into a set, Nisha.
I can definitely collect into. I don't want a set. I want a vec. On the left-hand side. Right. Let bushes equals these guys. Right. So the bandal bushes. What we want is the band operator اليوم is basically hit huma are partially. We can have a B tree map, right? Of that mu, right? That mute map. And then for any bush in bushes, dot iter, I want to do map dot entry bush or defaults 0 ونأنكر موضع واحد.
You can do this.
What?
You can do this in Rust.
If it lets me, yes. I don't think it's gonna let me. Hold on. I need to probably specify better types. A B tree map of bush and map. This is bad. Whenever I do this, it's bad. Okay. Expected 0 argument over what? Hold on. Bush. Oh, it doesn't like this. Dot. Why don't you like this? Or default. This is what I want to write. It's not letting me write this. I don't want to consume this. Fine. Can I do this? I just want to hold references. And then it seems like or default is failing on me. Entry or... Okay, my Rust analyzer died. Map dot. Okay. Rust analyzer died on me. I'll restart it.
You have some another phase, maybe? Okay.
No, I'll do that, but then it's not giving me Aslan the map dot. It's like it can't find the function. Map dot. So I'm gonna wait for Rust analyzer to finish.
Mag ik je update dus?
Yeah, فاش كتعثر ديماري just scans the entry for bush dot or defaults. Oh, actually, or insert, I guess I need. All right. And I probably need to do something with this.
You have to do a help pack.
Yeah.
Yes, that's it.
Right. So this is now we have a incrementation dialog. We incremented the counter for each and every one of them, and then we can do iter dot max by key, maybe.
Max by value? No.
You can't do max by value. There, you have like an iterator over the values, and then you will have like a key and a value, right? And you just want to get the maximum out using the value. And this gives you like yeah. And then let's do if let's sum key v equals this, right? And then we'll just print. We'll just print v. What is it? It's v.
It's not. Oh yeah.
No. This should be fine. And I don't think I use K. I'll just kill it. Oh, I'm very rusty. Why did this work though? Oh, I'm just printing the value, which is the counter. We don't need the counter. We actually need the key. We don't care about the value. Yeah.
So you have to check out,
yeah. They told me. Oh, okay. So now Bush doesn't work because Bush doesn't implement display. So we need to implement display for Bush. And then FN is format something. Please give me the signature. I'm not sure about the formatter. Ample display for. Well, it doesn't know display. Yeah. Ample display. Yes. For Bush. And then FN FMT. Yes. And then I have to do write. Is there a write? Yes, there is one. It should be self dot 2. Expected error. Yeah, not to do anything. Cool. All right, now this compiles. All right, so according to this is the answer. Copy. Coolly. Nice. واو شحال دخلنا كون كنا كتبنا هذا عجب هذا بيطون كرهدر. All right, next part. Can you help me label my bushes based on the color as well? If I label them red, green, blue, less special. A bush is red. Like the first number كبر من الآخرين بجوج. If a bush is labeled green, the amount of green, the second number is greater than the red and the greater than the blue. إذا كان blue, it's the same. إذا كان ثالث. So you know it's special إذا كانوا جوج بحال بحال.
Can you implement a constructor on the bush that takes this and add another?
We can make it a computable value.
Yeah, but what are they asking for? What are they asking for?
Label. So red, blue. What did they sell? Green, RGB, green, or special. Oh, actually, I shouldn't have done this. Red. Cool. Derive debug at least. Right. So we're gonna import something on Bush, and we're gonna import something called FN label. It's gonna take a ref to self, and we're gonna return a label. Right. So if self.0 كبر من self.1 and self.0 كبر من self.2 هذا is green. Label red. Else if self.1 كبر من self.0 and self.1 كبر من self.2 label blue. Else if self.2 كبر من self.0 and self.2 كبر من self.0 label. This is very feature شتي كنكتبو شويه هذاك. Else label special.
You're thinking or there was you need a special if else if. I don't think so.
You need a what?
Which you need a special else if because قال لك خصو يكونوا جوج كيتساويو.
Yeah, but then if إلا ما كان
all the غادي.
So شنو قال لك يكون الاوتبوت هنا؟ The same input now that I don't know how many bushes are labeled green. دابا خصك تحسب in the full list خصك تحسب شحال من وحده فيها green.
Green, yes.
Alright. So
Filter.
I already have the final list, you know. So I don't need none of this, I guess.
We don't need the B3 map anyways.
Yeah. So I'll just go bushes dot iter dot filter b dot label. Let's say we label green and is there a count? Yeah. Right. Binary operation cannot be applied because it's a pattern match. Fine. Matches.
Oh, you have to do it this way.
It's not a value a comparison. It's a pattern match.
Yeah, pattern matching.
Fine. Again, let's try. 889.
بلاتي 889.
Oh, answer to what?
Green.
All right. Time to debug. Scan. How can I scan after? B, and then println.
Right, so RGB. Oh, I think.
Hold on.
You can see the.
Why doesn't it like my function initial stage? Oh. Error scan one. Oh.
You have to.
It doesn't do what I think it does. Let's just collect for now. نسيت شنو هما الجرين وانز. الجرين وانز هما اللي خصهم يكونوا كبار بجوج من هذا.
فاش جي خص يكونوا سطاني كبر منهم بجوج. فاش الليبل
عرفتي شنو؟ هادو هي الجرين.
هادو الجرين.
From randomly scanning them, all of them look.
Look. This looks blues, to be honest. So.
علاش blue?
The conditions
What is blue?
They look like last RGB. So blue. Like
oh god damn it! I guess that's the mistake. Is label computation is wrong.
Yeah,
so
red,
yeah. No, hold on. Blue. RG. Yeah. سولتك قلت لك وش فيريفيتي. يا ودي على من اولنا.
ماشي مشكله.
ماي جاد.
ميستيك فين جاي. كولي مهم.
بوشز داتلين.
يعطيك 260.
761. I mean, gotta make sense.
قلت لك واحده فيهم ما قالين. هي هذيك.
شحال قال 761.
يلا ما قلت تسنى. 761.
Nope. Still too high. Ow! عزيز متبعش معايا.
ابي سيرت.
والله لا عصب ما تبعش ما يتسوس.
شوف
هادشي كامل زعما باش نجيب هادشي غلط. انت ما بغيتش تسالي هادشي ياك.
انت خسرتي راسك صاحبي.
هادشي ما عندوش علاقه براسك، حنا غالطين. رايت سو جرين. شنو هي جرين؟ RGB جي. هذه هي الكبيره ديما.
دابا عاد قرا باش نشوفوا ثاني الكونديشن. قرا بدل لي ستيتمنت because I can't see it. Let's read the statement.
I'll read the statement. غير خليني نفيريفي بعدا بلي داكشي اللي في راسي هو هذاك.
This looks correct.
All right, so this looks correct according to the definition to green. Let's go back to whatever. What? How did we go to 3? No. Oh, okay. So So color coded. Which is labeled red if the amount of red, the first number, is greater than both green and blue. Is greater what? Combined. بحال المثلث.
So red, green, blue. Green, red, blue.
هذه blue. RGB.
Specials.
RGB, red, special.
Oh yeah. That's why I said like واش خصك ديك else. That's what I want. Look at the example there. علاش ما عطاكش علاش the last one ما عطاكش green في the first case. So إلا عندك 10 20 10. Special not
It's
green.
blue.
No, it's special not green. 10 20
10 20 10.
Yeah, it's special not green.
Oh, maybe yeah. So if any of two of them are,
Maybe you have to handle it yellow already.
Oh my god. Fine. All right.
الأولانية don't do any else. ديرها في else الأخرانية صافي. خليها دير if ديالك.
I'm just gonna do if equals sub.1.
True.
hold on. Self.
Good.
So 1 مع 1 0 مع 1 0 مع 2 1 مع 2 صافي.
من الأخرى دير else.
سبعمية وثمانية وأربعين.
بلاتي شنو لك هاير ولا لور؟
صافي تعصبت هما يخليوني ندوز. كتقرا تشات حتى واحد فيهم قارين قال لك ماتش جوج كي داروا جوج علاش كتكون الكلاسيكو خسر انت كنديروا جوج 45 دقيقه. There are some special
قلبوها ستريم ديال الماتش.
كوبي رايت. مازال one part is on the phone with a customer. After a while, they hang up and tells you with a smile. The price are as follows. In pointers, the local currency of land. Red is 5, green is 2, blue is 4, special is 10. What is their total price in... okay, cool. So just compute the total price. Again, another function that says FN price. So, 32, and then match on self.label. Label red. Second.
5 to 14.
Green, blue, and then special. Second. 5.
2 4 10. 4.
2. Right. And then we just do, there's no filter, just map the beta price. That's
Wait.
type annotation I32. How about this? Good. Boom. 9502. 9502. Nice.
Boom. دوز
غترجع ولا غنكمل؟
كمل نديرو جوج دابا.
جوج. All right, full. All right, beach cleanup. To clean up all the trash. Anything for these pointers nowadays, eh? You can walk up, down, left, or right. Okay. They were discovered, and you must collect them in that exact sequence. You can only pick up a piece of trash when you are standing on its coordinate. After collecting it, you can proceed to the next. Passing over trash means that is not in the next one. And will not become.
Yeah, I mean you cannot go diagonally, so basically it's just
ماشي diagonally حتى إلا دزتي عليها في الطريق حتى إلا اختاريتي الطريق اللي كدوز على شي حاجة راه ما كتهزاش حتى كتمشي.
You start at 0, 0, basically. You do.
So this input has 3 3 3 3 في كاينه 3 3. So هذا هو الزيرو هنا. هذا الزيرو هنا. So it's 3 3 6 6 9 9.
Yeah, so basically
visualize this. So خصك تمشي تاخذ هذه.
Yeah, so you do
تاخذ هذه then ترجع لهذه.
It's going to be 6 plus 6 plus 6. So
the shortest amount of steps you would walk 3 steps right, 3 steps up. That's 6.
It's like 18, I think.
Position will be 3 3 3 2. You pick 6 steps right and 6 steps from your position. Okay, after picking you did 3 3 6 6 3 3. Yes.
Let's do 3 3 6 3 3.
باش تمشي ل 3 3 مرة باش تمشي خصك تمشي ل 9. سو 3 ل 9 راه هي 6 في 6 6 هكا 6 هكا. عندنا غترجع 3 3 من 9 ل 9.
Oh, so you have to return, so twice there, so you always return to 0. Okay.
No, you don't return to 0.
So what's
the... you visit them خصك تفيزيتيهم هاد الاوردر A then B then C.
What's the difference between A and C? ماشي 3
هنا 3 هادو بيناتهم. يس انت ما غاديش لسي، انت خصك تمشي لبي هي الاولى.
هادو بيناتهم. Makes sense. So you have to go to 9. So yes.
Yeah. What is the total amount of steps taken to pick all the trash? This is not too bad, I guess.
We'll just different wise and then
yep. Okay. And then well, paste input.
Yeah, we will do this in Rust.
Huh? Right. Let's remove a bunch of this stuff. We'll keep a lot of this. We sparse, but then instead of having a bush, I'll just have like a point.
There.
Just have a point.
Are there points already for you created?
No, I'll create a point.
ما عندكمش pair في you
I can make them a tuples. I can make them a tuple. You can create something that is like this. This is in itself. It's a tuple. It's a tuple struct.
Yes, this was gonna be.
Derive debug. And then everything else here is irrelevant. So هنا كنقراو inputs. And we don't need bushes. We just need points. And that's pretty much it. Okay. So the خصنا ندي فيهم. So we need a way to figure out the distance between 2 points, right?
Then you're gonna zip ولا شنو كتسمى الآخر شنو كتسمى؟
Distance up. I mean, you just need بغيتي غير distance بيناتهم.
Yeah, you just redo
I32, right? So you need the apps. بغيتي الابس itself نتاع 0 ناقص well distance مع other, which is another point مع other dot 0, right? apps plus self نتاع 1 ناقص other دير 1 apps. This is technically the distance. So now you just go in the points in the same order for point in points, right? And then you ans plus equals. Well, we have current. Let's mute current equals point. And then you do current, let's say in pt, and then ans plus equals current distance pt, and then let's mute ans, and then print, right? And I just need to take a reference to this.
Exactly.
Seems legit, right? Oh, no. Actually, let us try the sample input. شحال خصني يخرج في هذا؟
24.
24. Right. 7142. Nice. Next one. After calculating the total, you start realizing this is going to take a while. You decide to take a different approach to pick. Instead of only walking straight up or down, you can now walk diagonally as well. You can now also walk upright, up left, down right, and down left. Not walking exactly 1 meter diagonally. Each diagonal step still counts as one. Pick up the trash. To reach the first piece of the trash, shortest amount of steps, you would walk 3 steps right.
Yeah, so just instead of counting the difference بحال you count it with the maximum between the differences.
الماكسيموم ما بين شنو؟
ما بين both differences. So because like imagine عندك هنا 3 وهنا 6, you will walk 3, 6, right?
No, you'd walk 3, 3.
You won't walk 3 diagonally and then 6.
And then 3.
Yes. So usually maximum إلا غتمشي. غاديش فهمتي. So إلا عندك 7 هنايا 10 هنايا you walk 7 diagonally. And then بقاو لك 3 باش تكمل 10. So you will always walk الماكسيموم بيناتهم.
Maximum.
Yes.
So if that's true, then here we will take 3 plus 9 plus 6.
3 plus 6.
Yeah. No, 3 plus.
Yeah.
باش نمشيو ل 9 شحال 6 plus 3.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's do the same thing. Now distance becomes this dot max. This. Right?
I don't like this max at all. Anyways, it's 9 and now the 9. Anyways, it's fine. هذه غادي خصها تعطيك 9.
No. Yeah,
Yeah, it is.
4 Nice. Next.
Okay.
After finishing that the collection order was highly inefficient, to prove that fact, you decide to place back
In the same location and try to find them more way to pick them up. The order of the trash pieces can be heavily optimized.
based on the distance from it to your start. The distance sorted by is the Manhattan distance, which is the sum of their horizontal and vertical distance. You sort them from closest to furthest away from your start position. This is how it would have been sorted. 3, 3. Okay, so we sort them by 3, 3, 6, 6, 9. You then pick them up in this order.
Well, technically, this is confusing. Well, this is okay, but I just so what if I give you هدف 2 1 وهدف 1 2? That's the only problem I have. Otherwise,
does it matter?
It will matter probably. You could change the order in which you will.
Yes, but will it matter for the?
I don't think. No, never mind. I don't think so. Because think about it. If you have 4 5 5 4, you will take 5 1,
Yeah.
right? And if or you will take 5 1. So it doesn't. But wait. It could change things. Imagine it's the next one is 5 5. No, not 5 5. So I give you 1 10, right? 10 1. Okay. So and then the other one is 10 is 1 20. So you will go up and then 20, or you can go up. Well, my point is like you go up, down, to the right, or you go to the right, up. So it wouldn't matter. So there is always a special case. If I want them, I don't know if I could explain. So if you have first column 10th row يعني فوق كاع وحداش 10 يعني first row 1 يعني first row 10th column وحده 10th row first column يعني 10 1 1 10 and the other one اللي تحت كاينه في 1 20. So the answer will be 10, either 10 plus 10 plus 10 or 10 plus 10 plus 20. See, do you see my point? If you go to the right, then go up and then go to the one to the right.
Maybe the input does not have ties.
Yeah, that's why I said like we can just think that the order doesn't matter for
yeah. So we need to sort them, as I can tell. Like
Yeah,
sort and then visit in that order.
Yeah. And
Right,
so
so
now
let's-
just how would you sort? I don't know how
Hold on.
write it.
So I would probably need to change this.
No,
Right.
I think it was fine.
No, absolute. حيت مازال تولي تفيزيتي بابسولوت value now. Now the way you're gonna visit.
No, you still can do the walk-in machine up and right. You can do diagonally.
Are you sure?
Well, this is like basically what they say, like 3 plus 3, 6, 9 plus 9, 18, 6 plus 6, 12. So now first we get Manhattan distance. Okay, so now you get, so instead of, you just keep it the same. لما visiting دابا ولا you can walk diagonally.
Maybe you're right. I'll keep it for now. Did I keep it eventually? Yes.
Yes.
All right, let's do let's do sort. Sort by should I
You have
maybe
to
key a key extraction function. Let me see. So I'll get an element. Cool. So I'll get a point. And I want to sort it by how far is it from 0. So predicted 0 plus predicted 1. Now the Manhattan distance.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
And then cannot mutate an immutable value. Yes, sir. I want you to be able to mutate it. And now we start from 0 and then still go. I want to print.
Well, just test it in the.
Doesn't implement display. Sure. Right. No, I mean, I'm using debug. I know I'm implementing debug by default, but I'm not implementing display.
Okay. 3399. Okay. 66.
So 336699.
Yeah.
Order ولا تسود.
Just,
هذا شخص تعطينا تسود.
Yeah. Yes, that's correct. I think. But I think it's correct. 2128.
2128.
Yeah, it's 9. Yeah, it's like
Nice.
it is 9.
Well done. All right. Aziz, back to you.
5. Puzzle 5.
puzzle 5. ليترلي كنتفرج على تبعت انا وياك الخدام بحال دايرين كنت نقول بحال كنبراكتيسيو شي كونتيست but that has been ages.
Yeah. You arrive at the train station. So,
بلاتي انا مازال ما شريتش السكرين.
yes. Go through 9 3/4. 2.
Each channel is represented by a single uppercase or lowercase letter. Each letter appears exactly twice to enter the channel. Example input. B, B, A, A. C, C, K, K. Okay, these I'm getting 7 different tunnels. The train starts at the first tunnel and moves through the sequence in the order the tunnel appears. When it enters a tunnel, it instantly moves to the matching letter's position.
في exit step.
نزيد واحد. Sticking inside a tunnel is equal to the number of characters between joins of that tunnel plus in the following diagram arrows indicate the direction of a travel between matching tunnel. So you go A هذيك 10. So S S.
Okay. Then you go to S. Then you go to P. Wait, P. Why P has هذا فيهم خصها تكون minuscule. Lowercase.
No, انت واحدة فيهم minuscule.
P. Oh yeah, okay, so it's the same. Okay. I. Wait. غيخرج في هاد S. وي. غيخرج من هاد A. ياك. غيدخل K. غيمشي لهاد K. غيدخل S. غيخرج من هاد S.
لا يدخل الكي بلاتي يخرج من كي.
غيدخل S.
يخرج من اس.
يخرج من هاد B.
اوكي.
يدخل من I يخرج من I.
اوكي. and then
I من هنايا غيدخل هنا. Yes, exactly. So yes, هي هاديك.
end of the line هي آخر كاركتر.
Yeah, so technically if you...
Counting the steps taken inside the channel, we get 38 steps. Okay. Keep in mind that the step from one tunnel to the next is not counted outside the tunnel.
It's guaranteed, to be honest, I think to...
Yeah, so there is no cycle.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure there should be, because at some point you this. I mean, it's guaranteed to have a cycle. To end في الآخر ضروري خصك
حتى إلا كانت السايكل شنو غتأوتبيت له الريح.
So
just simulate. ما عندكش. I don't think there's a better way.
Yes. So let me do. Okay. So we. Just one line, yeah. Okay. So next, this int. So int index is equal. Wait, how am I going to approach this?
Do a first lap, memorize كل واحد فين كيديك. So for each character, it'll give you the next. في كل index يكون عندك البورتال فين غيخصو يديك. So the first H إلى index سيتي فيها خصها تلوح فين خصها في الاوتبوت وفايس فيرسا. خصك تلقى الاوكيرنسز ديال كل حاجه basically فين كاينين. And then the positions ديالهم and then you can make a portal باش simulate باش make simulation easy.
Okay, yeah. And plus one. Oh, I just need an N, so yes.
So you can either do two passes left to right. In first place populate one side of the tunnel ولا عقل عليهم بجوج.
56, okay. Okay. I will do it this way, okay? I will just for char c for int I less than n plus I if last of array of I equal to 0.
لا عرفتي شنو دير؟ شوف شنو دير فور انت اي كتساوي 0 اي صغر ان جي كتساوي اي جي صغر من ان وقلب فاش تلقاهم بجوج كيتساووا عمرهم.
It's fine. I think I can just do it this way.
Just,
So
yeah, just do
what I
that.
call- once I call last, I will do next of
علاش غتعمر جوج ديال الاريز؟
equal
You
to
can do
I.
this. You can do one array. علاش دير جوج ديال الاريز؟
I. No. Nice array of I. So do you see my points? Like else last of array of I is equal to I. Okay. So I'm just keeping what is the last time I've seen the array position dialog. Right.
But why?
So now I have.
علاش ما تبوبيليتيش next direct where next of I ديما غتقول لك ها فين خصك تمشي فين ما دخلتي لها كيما كنتي غالي.
Oh, well. You see? Just can do next. So okay. So once I get, let's say that I get this. Yeah. Just as an example. So I've seen. So I see an A. Last غتكون -1. So it's fine. Yeah. ما غادي تدخل هنايا غيحط لي بلي لاست ديال array of I اللي هو بعباره عن last A كتساوي I يعني position ديالو 0. And then once I check this one, I'd say next ديال 3 is 0, but next ديال 0 هو 3. So this is what I do.
Yeah, that works, but
So yeah, so I'm just keeping an eye.
could have been stupider if you ask.
Yeah. ما كنبغيش نعاود نفكر بزاف ملي كنلقى solution in my brain. That's easy to write. So now I will just do a pause is equal to 0, right? While pause is less than n, right? And in answer 0. Next is equal to next of pause, right? Answer plus 0.
انت ان معاودة عزيز حيد ان بدل خوتي سميها.
And pause is equal to next of pause. And then answer plus equal to pause minus perhaps plus minus and pause plus 1 and pause equal to the next position.
Actually position is next pause. دونك حيد داك ان pause ديرها كتساوي next نتاع pause plus 1.
No. Because sometimes you're just gonna go. فهمتيني غترجع من هنايا وترجع هذه هنايا. فهمتي like if you go backwards وتزيد واحد غتنقص لك الانسر ما غتزادش. غتولي الديفرنس هذه حمقى. Okay. So let's see. Oh, not here. This should be the. Okay, I can do this. It's 44.
Maybe. حاسب راسي في 44 شي بلاصة. 38.
So let's just do this. What did I do? نشريش الأول تلوخة. Here, okay. Come on.
داك واحد اللي كتزيد في الاخر سترينغ كونكاتينيشن ما كيحسبش ما كيديرش الحساب.
فين كندير؟
هذاك الواحد راه كتزيدو سترينغ في الاخر.
Is that it?
كتزيد 10 مرة خصك تزيد 7 رجع 10 كتزيد 8 انت كتزيد 8 موراها Yep.
Yeah, so I was let's just do this. Final input هنا.
ألف وسبعمية وخمسة وثمانين
781. Oh wait.
1781
Okay.
Right. Next. Some tunnels are not visited. Which tunnels are not? So you can plan another trip to go back and visit them still. Tunnels. Alright, you need to figure out شنو ما شفتيش. So basically do the same dance وعقل على هذوك اللي دخلتي لهم. Oh, by the way, you flipped the line. Can you go back? You flipped the line. And then, yes, visited of pause equals.
Come on, my keyboard. Sure, that one.
And then you have to go again, and then if not visited, then print the corresponding character. Not visited the then print array the sorry. There is it.
Oh, yeah.
هبا. Incorrect. Nice.
Okay, so
nice.
Now we debug.
Did you ever put the character الأول كتحطو؟
Let me see. It should be in the
No,
previous
دير بعدا السامبل maybe السامبل تاعو
شحال سامبل خاص يكون اوتبوت.
راك كان عندك تما بوسي هو الانسر.
ما افيشي لي بس. كمان من هذا لا بس بيبي.
What? You're printing. خصك تعرفي شي غير البورتال itself. تعاوديها وصافي. خصك ديرها في نو خصك تزيدها
Wait.
If not visited, right?
Never mind. Not this. اصلا ما غتلقاها مقلوبه ماشي مقلوبه. خصنا نتسناو دابا. يلا تسنى.
You had a minute. No, you had a minute. That's fine. Next. What? Power towns.
Don't question it. قلت لك.
10 minus 10 steps. Okay.
I mean, sorry. I mean, this doesn't matter anymore, right?
No. Skate dash. Already pause كتساوي
Wait,
is
شكون
upper.
هو اللي-
Character is uppercase. Character
mean-
is uppercase.
okay.
كاينة بعدا
I think so. It should be.
is upper ولا is uppercase ما عرفتش.
It means
Let me
upper.
go.
إذا شوف إذا شحال هكا ما بقاش نكتب. لا ما نقولش.
Character is uppercase Java. كاين is uppercase هذيك.
اوكي هكا. upper case هذه بحال هكا ياك.
Yes.
شنو خصها تكون؟ array of posts.
Pause. البارسا عطات لمدريد 3. ويو.
3-2. والبارسا اللي غتربح. انتهى ليكم.
لا هو you're adding math ups ماشي
لا،
خصك
لا.
تضرب في ذاك المالتيبلاير.
فين كاس؟ هكا.
عاود صيفط السام باق. ها ما تقوليش is uppercase.
كيس واش سي upper case ولا سي lower case؟
لا سي كبير.
All right. Wait, شنو هادشي؟ هذا واز هاكا. ما عطينا الاكزامبل.
الاول داك السامبل الاول اللي عطاو هذا نفس السامبل بقاو تيعاودوه.
نحاول نقلب عليه. اوكي. -6.
واش هادشي اللي كان
واخا انا غنفيريفي بعد.
what's the expected answer
-6.
-6
واو.
correct.
Nice.
Excellent. Bird spotters. البنينة
خونا نفسه.
نفسه.
بو.
فين كيكونوا البيردز by the way؟
I think they start at 0-0 probably. No. That's why like it's 1-0. See? They all start at 0-0. And then okay, now taking the picture only captures birds that are in the frame. In this case, the frame is 4x4 and the center is Okay, we can picture this grid. The area marked with the dash is the area in which the picture can view the birds. When taking the pictures, you count the number of birds in the frame. For the real contest, the sky is. صافي. So
واش كاينين كيبداو بزيرو كاينين كيبداو بزيرو قلنا
yes.
شنو هو الاوفرفلو بيهيفير ما فهمتش انا الاوفرفلو بيهيفير كي
So if
كيرابيو باي ذا امان اوف سبيد ولا كيرابيو زيرو نيشان
if you go here, you come back here, then you keep going.
Can you go back to the samples? I want to make sure that this is exactly what's happening. حيت كلهم في الاخر رجعوا زيرو.
Oh, probably the way he had So after 1 second, the birds are the following. So okay, position.
So basically لا هبطتي على مثلا كنتي في 6 كانت هي 8 8 وكنتي في 6 وزدنا عليك 3 غترجع لواحد.
So bird 5 هبط ناقص 1. ياك. So his x is gonna go to 7. From 0 to 7. And y is 1. So you basically
شحال السبيد ديالو هو bird 5
x minus 1 in x is gonna go for the first second, it's gonna be 0, and then it's gonna go to minus 1 here.
Yeah.
Minus 1 1.
انا what I care about هي فين غيكون after انا what I care about هي فين غيكون after مثلا يوصل edge فاش يوصل edge واش كيرجع باش مثلا الاوفرفلو بيهيفير مثلا فاش كتكون في 6 انت السبيد ديالك 3 والبوردر هو 8 واش غتطلع لواحد ولا غتطلع لزيرو؟
No, غتطلع 0, so they can just like 0 to 7, 0 to 7. So this is 7 7. So if you go
دابا انت تخيل راك في 6 راك شي بلا والسبيد ديالك هي 8 السبيد ديالك هي I don't know 4 right
you say that is here, yeah. 6. What's the x
6 وانت غادي في 4 انت السبيد ديالك في ذاك الاكسيس هو 4 فين هي النكست
this way you're gonna go to 7 and then هنايا 7 8 is basically 0.
Yes.
So you go
فين غتولي
7 8
غتولي 3
1 2 3. So I think it's going to be 3.
So overflow behavior is similar to modulo operator.
Modulo 8. Okay. It's true. Wait. Yeah. إذا كنتي 5 تولي 3 حيت هنايا 1 2 3 بس هنايا غتمشي ل 4. So هي هذيك 4.
Yeah, that's fun. Then you just the basic solution is simulate 100 steps.
1 2 3 4. Yes. Yeah. I don't want to simulate 8. So my point is I can just like if I give you plus x plus y, right, times 100 times 100, mod this with 8, mod this with 8, it's gonna give me your new position. If it's in the center, just do it. Do you see my point?
No, will that be always the case?
Yeah, I think so. I think it is.
Are they independent? Is what I'm saying.
Yeah, that's the point. Like you can assume that I'm gonna move you x and then I'm gonna move you y. So if I move you x, like the exact order, doesn't matter.
So they are independent. So you can mod them independently to compute the فين غيكونوا في الآخر. Then you don't have to do jack shit. You can just loop from 250 to 750 on the I and j, and then go through the birds and see if I add 100 to the x mod and then add 100 steps to the y step and then see واش كاينه في ذاك الريكتانغل ولا ما كايناش.
Exactly. So دابا هنايا خصني نشوف موديلو 1000. ياك ونشوفوا واش راك 500 و500 منين الا كانت ب 3 3 اكس بيتوين الا كان 4 4 4 علاش دار لك هنا 3 3 0 1 2 so it's 2 علاش
انت عارف باللي الاخرى غتبدا من 250 خصك تكون ما بين 250 و 750
0 so دابا هذه 0 0 ياك
اها
0 1 0 2 so this is 3 3
اها
لا this is 2 2 not 3 3
تو يا
علاش قال لك هنايا x is between 3 and 4 oh yeah I don't know
كيهضروا على السونتر هذيك واقيلا in the middle of the sky and the center is in the middle of the sky ما بين 3 و 4
yeah okay so nice so now when you get like قال لك اللي فيها 4 4 where does it start because this is 8 by 8
ما you don't need why do you care
I just wanted okay so because I wanted to know
you know شنو غيديروا for the last one هذيك فيها 1000 by 1000 انت الكاري انت السكان ديالك كيبدا من 250 ل 750 وفيه 500 على 500
so sorry I have to close that anyways
كلشي عايز سناب شوت يشوف ديك الكونفرساسيون
I mean there is nothing I have to be careful
you're reading birds there like bird
Yes.
speeds
so Ian next line split right this way
space why is it space why are you splitting by space
oh yeah it's
how fast
it's this one okay so this 2 plus there right
why again
because I don't know how many I have in the first place so I have to put them in
but you can do this all online you don't need to store them at all محتاجش تستوريهم غتخرج الاكس والايكغيك توبري على الاكس والايكغيك وتشوفهم واش كاينين في وسط الكارو
okay
انت عندك سبيدز دا المهم هذه is more like dx dy but anyways
I mean times 100 times 100 is more equal to 1000 and this is the same right I mean if x is greater than suppose and x is less than suppose suppose y expose y is less than is greater than or equal to y start position and then y is less than or equal to y end position that's plus answer since x I suppose is equal to let me just write off the one okay so شنو خصني ندير
صافي official answer
نو غير should be 250
يا 250 ندير 250 زائد 500
750
750 and الواي 250 same thing
should be the same I'm doing this just expecting when الجريد تقدر تبدل So I have to. $61 incorrect.
جربتي السامبل؟
Well, السامبل قسم ب 3 but anyways 8 وخصني ندير
4
خصني ندير هنايا oh yeah 8 and here it should be
شحال داروا هما من مرة؟ داروا 4 المرات. شحال داروا؟ 8 المرات. حسب شحال داروا. واحد.
دوما كتمشيش exam how many you will after 100. So let's just do after not 100. Yeah, so it's very hard to debug this shit. Why would it be 250? علاش ما تكونش 249? So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it's 8 minus 4.
أنا قريت غير هذيك top left corner starting at 250.
Like yeah?
Top left corner starting at 250.
Yeah, so if we top it, yeah. It should be correct. 250 plus 500.
Can you print the final positions into birds just to make sure like you're actually capturing the right movements?
We can do original X, original Y.
Maybe.
Oh yeah. Okay, I don't know how I triggered that. Oh, I'm doing system error. Check. I can't even. Let's see. Mine's 19 minus 5.
is doing شي حاجة multiplied by 100 ومو زيرو في الآخر is the same as doing شي حاجة زائد شي حاجة زائد شي حاجة while wrapping. And in my head it looks fine, but it sounds fine, but
Yeah, so this is minus 19 توصل 190 لا 1900. Okay, so let me do واحد اللعيبة هنا. I need to أنا بديت نجي الناس.
تعالوا ندير نجيو الناس. أسمع شوية كملناه هذاك ما كملناش ماشي مشكل.
Oh yeah, I get it. My bad. Do you see the point? The issue, Mehdi? Negatives.
No, why would you math apps?
It's not a multiple apps. So
You should modulo. You should do the modulo plus the modulo.
Yes, exactly. So that's the correct way. I don't think abscene is the correct thing. X is equal to x
mod 0.
X mod
100, 1000 plus 1000 mod 0 1000.
شي دابا علاش السي بي كوز دابا ولينا راسي اصاحبي اللي ما كناش غنزقلوها في الكونتيست هذا.
خلى الله لا تقل كان أبي أنا دا. What are you doing? 259 كي درتي قريتي سي وبداو كيتقلبوا لك الحروف. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Why son, yo, how are you? We are good. We are sleepy.
قلت لكم اصاحبي تريدو
سير.
مواتين التليفون. Score.
Thank you for participating in the warm-up. Now let's start the contest. You spit out your coffee in surprise.
Okay.
The contest is not over yet. The new rules are as follows: 1,000 pictures instead of just one, and you have 1,000 hours to take the pictures. You can't wait that long. You have stuff to do. You decide to automate the process by automatically taking one picture every hour, 1,000 times. One picture every hour.
What the hell?
Okay. What is the sum of all the 1,000 pictures bird count when taking a picture every So does it mean every second the bird? So every second the birds move.
Yeah. So every 3,600 seconds,
You should do that logic.
you take a picture, and then you do this 1,000 times.
Yes. So 1,000 times this logic, with the step being 3,600 instead of 100.
So instead of this, so it's going to be 1,000. Yeah.
Yep.
Oh wait. ما عنديش ما عرفتش
Yeah, you can do them later. You can
yeah ما عنديش relative lines for some reason.
شنو؟
Relative lines, so I can't. So here it should be this way. Yeah. It should be this. I don't care.
No, what is the sum of what? The birds اللي كاينين في كل picture.
Well, technically, whenever it's in the frame, it counts.
Yeah. نجرب بهذيك نقعدو نقراو البروبلم. It doesn't work. Incorrect problem. Okay,
the number doesn't look correct at all. Anyways,
it looks highly suspicious. On the dot
if you get 1,000 pictures instead of just one, and you have 1,000 hours to take the pictures, you can't wait long. You have stuff to do. Taking one picture every 3 seconds. Okay, once you have 1,000 pictures. Why? We're taking a picture of everything. Wait. ما غتقدرش تكون لونغ نو
Long?
يمكنش
No, don't think so.
3600 في 3600 is like 10 to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of 3 10 to the power of 6. Does this do? الارقام هادو by the way looks very suspicious. Wait. انا كنبدلو في اكس اصاحبي. انا وياك نمشيو للناس. anyway صافي كنبدلو في اكس انايا ماشي هذا كيبين لينا صاحبي نجيب هذا.
What does that change? شنو بدلتي؟ هو والله راسك شي الناس لقيتها طيرتيني عقر.
انا علاش مسميها انا اكس سميات والله عرفتي اذا شي واحد من الخدمه كيشوف هادشي غيجرب. anyways oh my god صافي
كيخرج لك هو.
Yes.
I am absolutely x كتساوي x. قلتها لك
Wait, ما يمكنش.
قلتها لك. معلم. قال لك فوكسين فور مور ذان 2 hours راه بزاف. نقدر عايش الشرف هذاك بس كبر شويه. شي عزوز انت بدا قرب ليكرون بالنظر ما بقاش تيشوف.
عندي شوف اصاحبي شوف بزاف واحد.
المشكله انا كنضحك عليك وانا كنشوف فيها حتى انا. انا ما بنتش. يا خويا.
Anyway, it's good.
سير. Like after setting all that up, the presenter said like us, oops, I misspoken. Instead of 1,000 hours, we have 1,000 years to take 1,000 pictures. You spit out your coffee in utter surprise. A year is, like 3 billion? What is that? No, 31 million. So you have to total of 30 hours to take 1,000 pictures. Picture every something seconds, which is once every year.
I don't think it's gonna.
I don't think it's gonna matter, right? The process is the same. بدلتي 3600 ولا بدلتيها بهاد المرة هادي, what does that change?
No, دابا ما فهمتش. Are we taking an hour every hour? So دابا you have 1,000 years to take 1,000 pictures. لا, instead of we have are we taking a picture every hour every year?
So now you're taking a picture every yes, every year.
Every year. So why would it change? Every
هذاك النمبر بس 3600.
شحال هو داك الرقم ما عقلتش عليه.
كوبيتي ما عقلتش عليه.
ملي كان عندي فيم.
Yeah.
It. Okay. So yes. It yanks and passes. And then we do. Right, yeah.
عزيزي بارانويد مع انترونك. النهار داك الكونتيست عمرك عاد درتيها. طربيتي. Like when you delete on Vim, it yanks. Classic Vim. I mean, it can yank, but it still doesn't yank to your clipboard. You need to set it up باش تينكي الكليبورد ديالك. Why are you doing this for long?
I mean, because I'm comparing here, but it's
irrelevant الصراحة.
248.
140,000 378. Looks correct to me. It's incorrect.
Yes.
المهم شي حاجة ما فهمناهاش إذا.
So this is correct, right? We mod it. We add 1,000, then we mod it.
واش خصك تزيد جوج زيروات في لاين 20؟
علاش خصني نزيد جوج زيروات؟
شحال قال لك من مرة خصك تاخد بيكتشر؟
1,000 picture.
وحدة في العام.
Every هاد العام هاد.
Then why doesn't it work?
I mean, I along with everything, yeah.
Yeah, I guess so.
And the answer should still remain an int. I don't think I have to change this to a long.
Let's no, it's فيها غير number of birds.
I mean,
I don't think you'll loop a long amount of times.
so I'm looping 1,000 times.
Yeah.
So I'm modding x times هذا هذا times هذا. This is going to be an int, a long. And this is going to be always modded with 1,000. And this is a long anyway, so it's never going to be. What? كيف بوستي شي حاجة مشيت غلط في الانسر.
I don't think so, no.
3155-6926. 3155-6926. Yes. ياك ما بدلتها جاني شي اكس ولا شي لعبة ماشي بلاصة. تأكد انت.
عزيز نخليوها هنا.
I think so.
نجني الناس.
Me too.
وش ياكل الناس.
شي واحد شاف شي لعبة في هادشي.
حتى واحد ما بانليش بانت لي شي حاجة. كنقرا الكومنت من قبيله واش بان له شي حاجة.
I have
Anyways, I guess غنخليوها هنا. I'm kind of tired. خاص ستريمين ساعتين بحال ستريمين 10 ساعات.
انا ما بقاش فيا الحال انا ما بقاش فيا الحال انا جبت السكور ديال الماتش كوريكت
3-2 ربحت البارسا قلتي ما قلتيش 3-2
والله
انا
باش
نمشي هذاك بلاتي شنو السكور ديال الماتش الجاي ديال المغرب اش غيدير المغرب مع نيجيريا this is a prediction 3-1 لمن المغرب غير واحد 3
المغرب يربح 3-1
aren't you a little bit pushing it aren't you a little bit optimistic
نعطيهم شي بيلانتي فور شور
شتي 3-1 غنرجعو الستريم الجاي وغنديرو لك فين نعطيك جائزة شي تقميرة صحيحة
عطيوها اللي كتبغي قولوا لي هذا البريدكشنز
Anyways, thank you folks. Thank you الناس اللي تفرجوا فيني. It was a little bit impromptu. And yeah. See you around. نيجيريا كاينة في الشاط.
Who knows?
Alright.
يلا على خير.
الله خير.